Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo background paper drive set. The Kupo background paper drive set enables you to effortlessly raise and lower your seamless background without the need for pesky ladders. The set consists of 2 units that expand into the cardboard core on each side of the seamless roll. A tension unit with an expanding central core and a tension knob prevents the weight of the hanging seamless paper from unrolling by itself. And the drive unit with an expanding central core and a drive gear operated by a plastic chain kept taut by a hanging weight. To open the chain links, bend the links past the right angle, then slide the link out from the side. To close the chain, reverse the process. First, we'll mount the Kupo single hooks into our convi clamps by holding down the silver button, inserting the hex stud, and tightening the set screw until snug. Next, we will attach the clamps to our top riser of a C-stand just below the mounting stud by turning the adjustable handle until snug. Now, with the seamless unrolling from the back, we'll insert the tension unit into the cardboard core of the seamless so that the widest part of the black cone is flush with the end of the seamless. While holding the black part with one hand, turn the hand wheel clockwise until the core expands firmly against the inside core of the seamless. Repeat this process with the drive unit on the other side. The drive unit can go into either side. Choose the side that you find easiest to access in your studio environment. With the seamless on the floor, move the light stands so that the hooks line up with the slots next to the drive gear and tension knob. Now lift the roll of the seamless and slide the slot of the tension unit onto the hook and repeat with the other side. Before cutting the tape off the seamless, make sure the tension knob is set tight enough so that the seamless won't unroll freely, but not so tight that it'll take a lot of effort to turn a roll by hand. Now cut off the tape and have an assistant help you raise the seamless to your desired height. Now simply use the chain to adjust the seamless up or down to your desired height. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.